In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss how to sign up as a sponsor for a fundraiser by creating a Spirit Ad sponsorship. I will be using the project graduation fundraiser that I have discussed previously to demonstrate how to do this. Let's start by opening my project graduation example fundraiser created in a previous tutorial from my Sagepoint dashboard page. This tutorial and a growing list of others may be found on tutorials.sagepoint.com. As a potential sponsor, I would typically access this fundraiser page from an email invitation sent by the fundraising organizer or from a link on the fundraising event website. Viewing this fundraiser as a potential sponsor, I take a quick look at the fundraiser description and am planning to create a platinum level sponsorship for my fictitious dance company called Free Spirit Dance. To do this, I will scroll down to the Sponsor This Event section and will click on the green Sponsor button at the platinum level. I see that the sponsor information pop-up window opens, and it is here that I begin building my Spirit Ad sponsorship. I want to point out that I am only required to complete the fields in green. I will fill in my sponsor email, my sponsor name, Free Spirit Dance, and the rest of the information. By checking the Save Sponsor Information in Profile box, I have the ability to save my information in my profile. This will save me time in the future if I decide to create other sponsorships. As this is just an example, I will not choose to do this right now. Next, let's take a look at the Designate Recipient field. For my project graduation fundraiser, each member of the senior class has been asked to identify $500 in sponsorship donations. I may designate the senior class member here who I want to receive credit for my sponsorship. This field is optional and only applies to certain fundraiser structures. For my example, I will designate that Tom Smith should receive the credit for my sponsorship by entering his name in this field. The fundraiser organizer will see this when they manage the fundraiser. Now that I have completed this step, I will click on Build Sponsor Card. This opens the Build Sponsor Card window. This is where I will create my custom Spirit Ad sponsorship. The first thing I will do is upload my picture or logo. To do this, I click on the Picture Logo box and then click Browse under Upload New Logo. I then navigate to the photo or logo that I want to use on my computer, click on the file, and click Open in the bottom right-hand corner of the File Upload window. My photo is now uploaded and displayed in the Sponsor Card Preview area. I can enter an optional logo caption that will show when the fundraiser sponsor logos are displayed in the logo banner format. I will enter a logo caption of Free Spirit Dance. Now I want to add the text message to my Spirit Ad sponsorship. As I am entering my text, it is displayed on the preview so that I can see exactly how it will appear. After I have completed my description, I will enter the web URL of my site. Notice that the URL display field is filled in with the same information. This field is how your website URL will appear on your Spirit Ad sponsor card. You may either leave the address as is or change it with custom wording. I'm going to change it to Visit Our Site. I also have the ability to include a special offer with my sponsorship. This provides an incentive for viewers to click on my sponsorship and to patronize my business. I will check the box and include my special offer. For this sponsorship, my offer will be mention this ad for a 10% discount on any dance lesson package. I may include an optional expiration date for my offer. I'll click on the calendar icon and select May 31st, 2014 for my expiration date. I now see my entire Spirit Ad sponsorship displayed in the Sponsor Card Preview window. My website URL and map and directions are clickable links, and I can preview my special offer here. When I click on View Special Offer, My discount offer is displayed with the title of the fundraiser and my offer expiration date. Let's close this for now. When I am satisfied with how everything looks, I'll click on Enter Payment Info in the lower right-hand corner of the window. On the Enter Payment Information window, I have the option to change my level of sponsorship by clicking on the Sponsor Level drop-down box. I will leave it at the Platinum level for this example. I now enter my credit card information or my Sagepoint payment code, my billing address, and phone. I must then check the box indicating that I am 13 years or older and that I have read the Sagepoint user agreement that is displayed when I click on the user agreement text. Go ahead and close this. When I'm ready, I'll click Submit Payment. My Spirit Ad sponsorship is now submitted to the fundraiser organizer for review and approval. Once my sponsorship is approved, I will receive an email notification indicating this and that my credit card has been charged at the Platinum level amount of $500. Once my sponsorship is approved, I see it displayed on this fundraiser page and on the fundraising event web pages. As the fundraising campaign continues, I always have the ability to modify my Spirit Ad sponsorship, changing the content as often as I would like, including photos, messages, URLs, and special offers. With each modification, my ad will be resubmitted to the fundraiser organizer for approval and posting. There is no additional cost to modify my Spirit Ad sponsor card. That's it. It's easy to create a Spirit Ad sponsorship and to support your favorite fundraisers. For more information and a list of all Sagepoint tutorials, please go to tutorials.sagepoint.com. To create your own event or fundraiser, go to www.sagepoint.com.